Hey, Paper, do you want to play some hockey? No, I can't go. I really want to play Minecraft on my Chromebook. My friend showed me before. Come on, we can set it up tomorrow. No, Minecraft is so fun. I want to play it today, and I want to tackle this. Where am I gonna start? I know, we can Google and YouTube. Here are the steps I tried and worked. Before we start, if your Chromebook is from school or your account is made from the school board, please do not try it. Because your admins will just block the site or block the app. So step 1, we go to here, then we see the settings icon, we press it, we go scroll down, and when you see advanced, press on it, scroll down again, then when you see developers over here, press it, and you'll see Linux development environment. I already downloaded, so there wouldn't be a turn on button over here. But when you see a turn on button, press it. So you see, on your keyboard, you should see a search button under tab. Press on it. Then you search. It will say search your device, apps, settings, or webs. Now you type terminal. It should look like this. Press on it. Then you'll see over here. Wait, it's loading. You can type sudo space apt - get space update space and space sudo space apt - get space upgrade space -y and press enter when you are done. It might take a few 20 to 30 seconds to update, so please be patient. Step 4, go to Google, then type Minecraft alternative download. Then you'll see only one option. Press the first option. Then after you'll see alternative download options for Minecraft Java Edition. Okay, now you go to Debian under Mac, press minecraft.dev. Then it should show a download complete, show in folder. Step 5, go to files and minecraft.dev should be on the downloads file. Drag the minecraft.dev to the Linux file. Then after it should appear in the Linux file, then double click it. Do you think it's so easy to install Minecraft on Chromebook? No way, no how, and no hope. After searching so many hours, it's a no. Finally, I found something that we're missing. There are additional commands that I need to run on the Linux terminal. Here they are. Now there's another issue. The issue is when you get in the Minecraft too long and you're still waiting for it, it'll just say game crash, exit code 9. So that's the last issue that I can't solve. That's the end of my video. And I personally learned so much about the Minecraft crashes. If you like my channel, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe.